Hi everyone, this is Alexandr Antsypov. In this video I'm going to show pipes, what is it and for what they are used. As always, let's create new Ionic 5 application. Then let's open screen 1, add text component, so let's change container type to, for example, h5. Then assume that we have a variable text with value hello world. To show hello world on the screen we can use following expression. Now let's test. We see on the screen hello world. In real life, very often it is needed to transform string or numbers which we display on the screen. And pipes can help us to do this. Into words, pipe is a function which accepts some data, transform it and return. One of the predefined pipes is lowercase. So to add pipe, we have to use vertical line and then pipe name. Let's save and refresh. Now we see hello world in lowercase. Similarly, we can use uppercase, which transform hello world in uppercase, or title case, which make every first letter capital in every word. There is pipe which can take some part of the string. Let's test. Now we see cutted string on the screen. There are pipes which can format number. Let's apply one of them to our number 1.23. As you see, number looks the same as it was specified here. But if we would change the parameter of this pipe, for example to 3 and here to 5, 6, we see that it was added some additional 0 numbers. So as you already guess, this parameter specify the amount of number before dot and after dot. There is pipe for object. So let's create one object with value a1, b2, and now let's try to show this object on the screen. First, using an ordinary approach, and as you see, we get something different that we expected to get. So to show object we can use JSON pipe. And that is exactly what we wanted to get. Another pipe which can be useful for you is a %. So if you see on the screen it is displayed 25 with % symbol, but it was specified 0.25. To show currencies, also there is corresponding pipe currency. And now on the screen you see $0.25 in proper format. Additionally, we can specify currency type, and number was converted in pounds. Another pipe allowed to format dates. Let's create date variable, and to show date in required format we have specified date variable and date pipe with attribute format in which we want to display the date. Now we see date in short format. Also we can specify short date if we need to show only date without time, like this. Similarly, we can show only time. In following format. You can also create your own pipe. For that, select create new and then TypeScript, select type Angular pipe, provide name. The main function of my pipe is a transform, which accepts value and then convert it to lowercase format. Of course, in your situation you can add absolutely any logic, so let's for example add plus symbol before value, then we can copy the name of our pipe and use it on the screen. So let's specify that we will transform string test using my pipe. So we see test in lowercase and symbol plus before it. That is all what I wanted to show in this video. Thanks for watching.